right, so this is PhpMyAdmin, and it's just a web-based database manager. Here are all the tables that I have in my database. There are 4 for ECPT, and we'll take a quick peek in there. It's pretty simple stuff. Browse. So there's the name, singular name, plural name, and then all the others are just those fields that we looked at. And 1 is on, 0 is off. That's it. There's the path to the menu icon. There's the slug. And then the labels are stored in a serialized format. Here, let's do this. And you can see now. Serialized basically is just a way to mark up content in a standard way so that it doesn't get lost. It also keeps track of the size of the content so that if it gets corrupted, it immediately knows and tells you by breaking your website. This is how it knows what meta box it's in. Then over here is meta boxes. And then taxonomies is probably empty. Yep, that's empty. So every WordPress install has a posts table. And here are the posts in my table. Post title, there's auto draft. These are posts that I just clicked add new and then never did anything with, and it saved them. You can flush them if you need to. This is the default bio page that came with WordPress. This is that easy custom post types page that I made for you guys to download stuff. And then you get down here, and here are my staff right there with everybody else. You'll note there are several that say giddy up. These are revisions. If we come out this way, I want to see.
Oh, that's when you were doing a show, right?
Yep. For Louis. So we come out here, and you can see post type. So there are my staff. There's my page and a post and a page. There's an attachment. Here are the revisions. How many comments you have, the GUID. There's post parent, so if you have hierarchical, it knows who your parent is. Modified. There's the post name. All that stuff. So earlier I talked about, do you have a question? Yeah, go for it.
Is there a way to tell from this table structure which is the live post?
Yes, I believe so. Let's see. Well, none of the revisions would be live posts.
Okay.
So I could go.
But how many staff posts do you have then?
Let's see. I'm going to sort by staff.
I think there's more than that. There's 4, but you only have 3 staff, right?
Oh, yeah, I believe so. I went too far. Where's my staff?
You're right. No, so yeah, post type right there. Alphabetically. You gotta go down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I was looking for staff to be at the top. All right, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, how many of them are revisions? Where's the post status?
Well, that would be under the auto draft.
Ah, look, see? So my auto drafts are auto saves. So earlier I talked about recovering a content type when the code has been lost or whatever. I can come in here and I could run a little query. I'm gonna select distinct post type from the post table. And I'm going to get attachment, page, post, revision, and staff. Staff is the only one of those that is not default WordPress. And I'm going to go, okay, I need to create a custom content type called staff. Just doing that, even if I don't go back and find all their meta fields right away, is going to get them their staff back. And on the front end, whatever code was rendering their custom fields is now going to still render that custom fields. So just doing that gets them leaps and bounds forward. Then post-meta is where extra stuff gets stored. You know what? I want to go back and find the ID of a good one. Let's do post number 14 is the author Neil Stevenson. So I'm going to go to post-meta. I'm going to do a quick search for post ID 14. And this is all the stuff I have that's meta about that post. And you can see all those fields. Edit last. I don't remember what edit last is for. But edit lock is the value that they use when you go and edit a post that somebody else is currently editing that says, warning, Bob is currently editing this post. It uses that number right there. So I can go in and change stuff in here if I want to. There. Now he's chief nerd with an exclamation point. So I'm going to, oh, no gestures. Let's go back to staff. Edit Neil Stevenson. And there's exclamation point. So, in my quest to recover this long-lost custom content type, I took one staff member and I searched for all his meta fields, and I can see these are the names of all the meta fields. So I could recreate those. Even if I weren't using easy custom content types, I can still use the ECPT underscore if I want to, and I can rebuild this content type based on the data that's in the database. And then everything's back and everybody's happy.